The Financial Secretary Zhang Zhang revealed his one-off tax reduction in his 8th government budget plan this morning. He said the government will give away a rough of $17.7 billion sweeteners to salaried workers and corporate owners. And parents with young children will see a $30,000 increase in child tax allowance. The secretary said the aim of this package is to allay people's burden and boost Hong Kong's economy in the short term. So now let's take a closer look at the package and see if we can get what has been promised. The government is going to reduce salaries tax and tax under personal assessment by 75%, subjected to a ceiling of $20,000. And under this measure, those who are making more than $400,000 a year will benefit more than those who are making less. If your annual income is between $120,000 to $400,000, then you'll receive around $700 to $8,000. And if you're making more than that, you're luckier. You will save at least $14,000 to at most $20,000. And in salaries tax, if couples are jointly assessed, then the ceiling of $20,000 will be applied to each couple. Otherwise, it will be applied to individual taxpayer. All of these measures, as added up together, will reduce government revenue by $15.8 billion and will benefit 1.82 million taxpayers. Next, there's good news for parents with young children. The government is putting an extra $30,000 into the current $70,000 base for child tax allowance. And if your babies are born in this year, you'll get a total of $200,000. Otherwise, you'll get half of this number for each one of your child. The secretary said the government hopes to ease parents' pressure in raising children. However, what we see here is an unbalanced help. The single parents are getting far less financial support than those married ones. A married couple with a baby born in this year will receive a substantial $120,000 more than those who are single. And where does this money come from? This gap exists because under personal allowances, the government is giving the married couples 2 times as more as they are giving those single parents. Should the government give allowances be based on the difficulty one has in raising child, or whether they are married or not? Last but not least, for corporate owners, profit tax will be reduced by 75%, subjected to a ceiling of $20,000, and around 130,000 corporations will benefit from